How to edit WhatsApp messages after sending it. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. Now, if this video was helpful, then please let me know in the comments and let's get started. So the very first thing that you want to do is simply open up a chat, of course. Now do keep in mind though is that you can only edit messages that you have sent in the last 15 minutes. So you cannot search for a specific message and go back like 2 years ago and then changing it or whatever. That is not possible. Only the last 15 minutes. As you can see, these messages over here are also edited. It will now show that, as you can see, edited and then the time. And in order to actually edit a message after sending it, is simply send a message. So I just sent this message right over here. And if I were to edit it, what I want to do is simply long hold the message. And then on Android, you will have 3 dots on the top right corner where you want to click on. And on iPhone, you could already see the edit button right over there. Now, that's where you want to click on, and then you can actually completely change it. So now you can, for example, change it to something like this, and then send, and there you go. Like, I've just completely changed the message. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.